Hello everyone. Yes, dear students, in this video we are going to see matrices topic. Matrices topic first exercise, that is what exercise 4.4. So in this 4.4 exercise, so it is just basic exercise that it is on constructing the matrix of given order or and classify the by definition of or by the types of matrices. So let's start with the first exercise, that is 4.4 exercise. Here matrices is starting, first exercise is 4.4. So first example is what? Construct matrix of order. See here, construct matrix of order 3 by 2. Okay, so whose elements are Aij is equal to this. So order of matrix is what? See, we have to construct a matrix A, that is equal to Aij. What is the order of this matrix? Order of this matrix is 3 by 2. See, the order of this matrix is 3 by 2. That means there are 3 number of rows and 2 number of columns. So let's write the matrix in full form, that A is equal to, see, there are 3 number of rows and 2 number of columns. So 3 number of rows and 2 number of columns. So here A11, then A12 will be the element of second column. Then second row A21, A22. Then third row A31, A32. Third row will be A32 column. Second column, this is first row, second row and third row, first column and second column. Now what? See, the first sub question is what? See here, first sub question is, first sub question Aij. What is given here? Aij, that is equal to I minus j whole square upon phi minus I. So I is for row or j is for what? Column. So let's construct this element. So for example, we construct the element A11. Here I is equal to 1 and j is equal to 1. So this becomes 1 minus 1, it will be 0. Then A12, I is equal to 1 and j is equal to 2 square upon, here I is equal to what? 1, so 5 minus 1. So this gives what? Aij, A21. What will be A21 then? This will be equal to minus 1, see here, minus 1 square, that is 1, and 5 minus 1, that is 4, 1 by 4 we will get. Next is A21. So A21, how we find A21? So in this formula I is equal to 2 and j is equal to 1 square upon 5 minus I is equal to what? 2, which is 1 by, okay, 5 minus 2, that is 3 we will write. Then A22, I and j is equal to 2. So I is 2 and j is 2 here. So this gives us 0. Then A31. So here I is equal to 3 and j is equal to 1. So it is 3 minus 1 whole square. Yes students. 5 minus I is equal to 3, which is 2 square, that is 4. This is 2 square 4 and 5 minus 3 gives 2. We get cancel and it is 2. So A31 is 2. Then A32. So we will find what? A32. So what is A32 then? A32 is equal to, here A32, that is I is 3 and j is 2 square upon 5 minus 3, it is 1 by 3 minus 2, 1, 1 by 2, 5 minus 3, it is 2. So thus we are getting required matrix. What will be the required matrix? A is equal to, so required matrix A is equal to what? A11. What is A11? Here A11 is what? 0. A12 is 1 by 4. Then A21. What is A21? 1 by 3. A22 is 0. A31 is 2. See here, A31 is 2. And A32 is equal to what? 1 by 2. So 1 by 2. This is our required matrix. Yes, we will construct now next, taking the same example, that is a matrix of order 3 by 2, that is 3 number of rows and 2 number of columns. But here formula for the element Aij, we will take different example. See here, this is the formula for Aij. What is the formula? See here, this is a formula for Aij, that is Aij is equal to I minus 3j. Here Aij is equal to I minus 3j, I minus 3j. So we use this formula and we construct this matrix, that is matrix of order 3 by 2, 3 number of rows and 2 number of columns. So here we find all these elements A11, A12, A21, A22, A31 and A32. So let's find A11. So by using this formula, what will be A11? Listen here, A11. So what is A11 here? A11, I is equal to 1 and j is equal to 1. So 1 minus 3 minus 2. Then A12 is equal to I is 1 and j is 2, that is 6, which is minus 5. A21 is equal to I is 2 and j is 1, 3 into 1, that is minus 1. A22 is required, A22, that is I is equal to 2 and j is equal to also 2, that is 3 into 2, which is 2 minus 6, minus 4. A31. So what is A31? A31, that is I is equal to 3 and j is equal to 1, so 1 into 3 it is 0. A32 is equal to I is 3 and j is equal to what? 2, that is 3 minus 2 into 3, 6, so it is 6, minus 3 it is. Now thus we are getting all the elements. So here we write the required matrix A, which is Aij. Order of this matrix is 3 by 2, that is there are 3 number of rows and 2 number of columns. So required matrix will be this. What will be the required matrix? We are getting all these elements. What is A11? A11 क्या है? minus 2. A12 है minus 5. A21 is what? minus 1. A22 क्या है? minus 4. A31 0 और A32 क्या है? minus 3. So this is the required matrix. Aij is equal to A equals to Aij of order 3 by 2. Then next question, that is next question is on classify matrices, that is types of matrices. So look at this matrix here. See in this matrix, so all elements, see this is first of all it is a square matrix. इसमें क्या है? नंबर ऑफ रोज एंड नंबर ऑफ कॉलम्स इक्वल है और all the elements which are below the diagonal, they are 0. Okay, you can look here, see the all elements which are below this diagonal, so they are 0. So therefore it is upper triangular matrix. So this matrix is what? Upper triangular matrix. See, the first matrix is upper triangular matrix. Look at this question to classify the following matrices. So the first matrix, here all the elements which are below the diagonal, they are 0. See, these elements are 0. Therefore first is of which type of matrix? It is a upper triangular matrix. Okay, it is upper triangular matrix. So this matrix is upper triangular matrix. Second, you will observe that Aij is equal to, see in the second example में क्या है? Aij is equal to minus of Abi, and these diagonal elements are what? 0. See here, diagonal elements are 0. So therefore this matrix is what? आप observe कर सकते हैं, A21. What is our, listen here, A12 is what? A12 मतलब element of first row and second column, and A21 is equal to, A12 is 4 and A21 is minus 4. So they are equal in magnitude and opposite in sign. Similarly, you can observe that this is minus 7 and this is plus 7. So A13 is equal to minus of A31 and so on. So therefore this matrix is what? Skew symmetric matrix. It is skew symmetric matrix. Then this is column matrix because there is only one column and any number of rows, that is column matrix. Row matrix it is because there is single row and any number of column. So this matrix is what? Row matrix. Here question number, see this fifth sub question, you will observe that non-diagonal elements are 0, means it is a diagonal matrix, and these diagonal elements, they are equal. ये diagonal elements equal है. So therefore it is a scalar matrix. This matrix is what? Scalar matrix. It is a scalar matrix. फिर ये scalar matrix. What about the sixth question? Here all the elements which are above diagonal, they are 0. So it is lower triangular matrix. ये कौन सा matrix है? Lower triangular matrix. This matrix is lower triangular matrix. It is a lower triangular matrix. Next is, here this matrix is diagonal matrix because non-diagonal elements are 0. Non-diagonal elements are 0. तो ये हो गया diagonal matrix. This is what? Diagonal matrix. Then here, see this is what? See the matrix is symmetric matrix. This matrix is symmetric matrix because in this matrix, here in this matrix, we are having Aij is equal to Aji. Here Aij is equal to what? Aji. Therefore this matrix is symmetric matrix. Aij is equal to Aji, Aij is equal to Aji, Aij is equal to Aji. That is A21 is A12, A31 is A13, A23 is A32. That is, see A32 is what? A23. That is the element of third row and second column, element of second row and third column. So therefore it is Aij in general, Aij is equal to Aji. So the matrix is what? Symmetric matrix. See, it is symmetric matrix. Next, this is identity matrix. This is what? Identity matrix, and this again you can classify as symmetric matrix Yes. Now look at this question. Question number 3. Which of the following matrices are singular matrix or non-singular matrix? So how we decide singular and non-singular matrix? If determinant of matrix is 0, see, if determinant of matrix is 0, then it is singular matrix, and if it is not equal to 0, then non-singular matrix. If not 0, then non-singular. So first matrix is this. Here we will write the matrix A is equal to okay. So matrix A is equal to what? A, B, C, PQR. Here 2A minus P, 2B minus Q, and 2C minus R. So let's write this column separately. Here, what is the column? C, R, and 2C minus R. Yes. Now we find determinant of this matrix. What is the determinant of this matrix? Yes, determinant of matrix क्या होगा? What this will be the determinant of matrix A, B, C. Here P, Q, R. Then 2A minus P, 2B minus Q, 2C minus R. Now we find, see, without expanding determinant we can apply here. इसमें property आप use कर सकते हैं. So if we add, see here, if we add this row in the third row, if we add in third row is equal to third row plus second row. So what we will get? Determinant of A will be equal to, see, we are adding this. First row there is no change, A, B, C. Then in second row what we are doing? We are adding the elements of second row. In third row we are adding the elements of second row. PQR is the second row. Now this element we are adding, so it gives us 2A. This gives us 2B, और ये आएगा 2C. Then take 2 common from this third row. इसमें से हम 2 common लेंगे. Determinant of A will be equal to, see here, determinant of A will be equal to 2 times of ABC, determinant ABC, then PQR, what is this? ABC again, after taking this 2 common, so it is ABC. Now you will observe that first row and the third row, they are identical, that is R1 is identical to R3. So we have property that determine that when any 2 rows or any 2 columns of the determinant are identical, the value of determinant is 0. So therefore what is the determinant value? So determinant of A will be equal to 0. What did you infer? That it is a singular matrix. This matrix is what? Singular matrix. It is a singular matrix. So this matrix is singular matrix. So here, see, the first matrix is singular matrix. This matrix is singular matrix. We have shown that determinant of this matrix is 0, therefore it is a singular matrix. Next, we attempt this question, that is phi 0. See, we'll find, see, our matrix is phi 0 phi. Okay, 505, 1, 99, 100, 699, 105. So we will check this matrix is singular or non-singular. We'll check this matrix is singular or non-singular. So determinant of this matrix will be what? Determinant of the matrix is what? See here, determinant of the matrix is what? 505. So determinant 199, 100, 699, 105. Then what will be the determinant of this? See, if determinant of this is 0, then it is singular, otherwise it is non-singular if it is not equal to 0. So we can here you can observe that here this last row is 699 and 105. Okay, it is 699 and 105. Now if we add this row in the first row, so what we will get? So by R1 is equal to R1 plus R2, R1 plus R2. So you will get, this will be equal to determinant of A is equal to, we are adding second row in the first row, so it gives us 6. ये 99 होगा, 105 होगा. There is no change in the second row में कोई change नहीं है. 100, then 6, 99, 105. So you can observe here see the first row and the last row, third row, they are identical, so value of the determinant will become 0. Therefore determinant A is equal to 0. What did you infer? It is a singular matrix. It is a singular matrix. This matrix is singular matrix. Now see the second question here. This matrix is also a singular matrix. It is a singular matrix. Here, next example, see here, next example. A is equal to, matrix is 7, 5, minus 4, 7. Determinant of A is what? What is determinant of A? So it is determinant of 7, 5, minus 4, 7. We will expand this determinant. इसको expand करना है. 49 it is. 49 and minus of minus it will be plus 20. ये होगा 69. Clearly it is not equal to 0. ये 0 नहीं है. Therefore what did you infer? Determinant of this is not equal to 0. Therefore it is non-singular matrix. ये मैट्रिक्स जो है non-singular matrix है. Okay? Yes, this is non-singular matrix. Now next question. Find K if the क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. इसमें क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 में क्या करना है हमको? फाइंड के इफ द फॉलोइंग मैट्रिसेस आर व्हाट? ऑलरेडी इट इज सिंगुलर. सिंगुलर मैट्रिक्स है, इसका मतलब डिटरमिनेंट ऑफ द मैट्रिक्स इज 0. सो हियर लुक एट दिस मैट्रिक्स, इट्स डिटरमिनेंट इज 0. सो डिटरमिनेंट ऑफ A is equal to what? We'll expand this determinant, that is 7, 3, minus 2k. So we expand this 7k minus of minus, it will be 6, and this will be equal to what? 0, because it is a singular matrix. This matrix is singular matrix. Therefore k must be equal to minus 6 upon 7. K must be equal to what? Minus 6 upon 7. Yes. The next is here question, third one. Here also it is a singular matrix, so determinant must be equal to 0. इसका determinant 0 होना चाहिए. Determinant of the matrix k minus 1, 2, 3, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1 minus 2, 1 minus 2, 4. See, k minus 1, 2, 3, 3, 1, 2, and 1 minus 2, 4. See, this matrix is what? It is a singular matrix, so therefore determinant of this matrix must be equal to 0. So we expand this, expansion of this will be k minus 1 into determinant of this. So what will be determinant of this? 4 minus of minus plus 4, it will be 8. 4 plus 8, 4, it is 8, minus 2 times 12 minus 2, that is 10, plus 3 times minus 6 minus 1, minus 7. So this is the expansion of the determinant A. Then it will be 8k, this is what? 8k minus 8, this is what? Minus 20, and this is minus 21. So therefore it is 8k minus, see, this is what? 49. So here let's check it is correct or not. K minus 1, 2, 3, 3, 1, 2, 1 minus 2, 4, k minus 1 into 4 plus 4, it is 8, minus 2 times 12 minus 2, it is 10, then plus 3 times minus 6 minus 1, minus 7, it is minus 21, this is minus 20, here it is 8k and minus 8, yes, it is 8k, and this is what? 41, and this 49. Now this is equal to 0 because value of the determinant will be 0 because it is singular matrix. Therefore k must be equal to 49 by 8. 49 by 8. Yes. Next question. Here transpose of transpose matrix will be same matrix, because if you find transpose of the matrix, you have to interchange all rows and columns. So all rows and columns. So first row will become first column. See, this first row will become first column. That means it will be, ये होगा 5, 1, minus 1. Second row will become second column. So 3, 2, 0. एक और बार इसका ट्रांसपोज फाइंड करना है. ट्रांसपोज मतलब द मैट्रिक्स ऑब्टेन ऑन इंटरचेंजिंग रोज एंड कॉलम्स. तो इसके और ट्रांसपोज करना है. सो रो विल बिकम कॉलम एंड कॉलम विल बिकम रो. फर्स्ट कॉलम विल बिकम फर्स्ट रो -1. सेकेंड रो विल बिकम सेकेंड कॉलम विल बिकम सेकेंड रो. तो ये आपका ओरिजिनल मैट्रिक्स ए हुआ. So we have shown here A transpose of transpose matrix is A itself. Yes students, in this video we did up to question number 4. Remaining questions we will do in the next video. Thank you for watching this video.